Judge, he was sent over to immigration and then he was brought back. So that's why he has 10 days credit. And they've already made a decision in immigration to deport him per him.
Really?
So he's already has his deportation papers.
25.
How long have you been in the United States?
2 months.
Sorry?
2 months.
If you want to be in this country, don't violate the law. You now know that there are severe consequences. You're now going to end up being deported. I don't know if you're ever planning on coming back. The only thing I'm going to advise you is that if you come here without proper documentation, going through the proper channels, it's a minimum of 5 years in federal custody for an illegal reentry charge. So I would be very careful how you just try to come in. When you do things the right way, good things happen. Do you understand, Mr. Betis Morales? Not only that, if you do decide to come back without the proper channels, don't get into trouble, right?
So
All right. The other thing I'm going to advise you is this is a reckless driving case. This is a serious case because you're facing a lot of time in jail. You have worked an agreement. They're offering you 30 days in jail, credit for the time that you've done. So you're basically done with your time here. But this is a type of crime where the Texas legislature has made it very easy for district attorneys across the state of Texas. When you pick up these cases where you act dangerously in a car, they've made it very easy for them to take and seize the cars away from you permanently. So would be very careful because if you ever come back, you start driving like this again, you may lose whatever car you're driving permanently forever because they will seize it and take it from you forever. Do you understand?
yes, sir.
Now, you give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront, cross-examine accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, as you now know. They can exclude you from entry into the United States or deny you citizenship. This and more criminal cases you pick up, you're only hurting yourself even more, especially with immigration issues. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You give up the right to appeal. So once you accept this agreement and once you plead guilty, you can never change this. It will stay like this forever. You understand? How do you plead to the offense, sir? Guilty or not guilty? I don't know if I said he's facing 6 months. You're facing 30 days and a $500 fine. So I don't know if I said that earlier, but that's what you're facing. But you've worked out an agreement for the 30 days. So how do you plead again? I'll find you guilty. Follow the agreement. And good luck to you, sir. We'll roll your court costs so you won't know anything as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bennett?
Really?
Yep.